This evening's name. What's your name, man?
That's Mikey.
Mikey, and you are?
Maddie.
Maddie? Mikey,
Maddie, Mikey.
That's beautiful.
Dynamic duo.
If you want to sit right there,
Name a more
so
iconic duo.
you can put your phone on a little table, and we need you to get both your potatoes up. You can do that too. Now, when somebody bops them, it'll be like they're holding your hand, which is maybe a little.
Are these
You can
potatoes?
just look at it. You know what? These are his potatoes, and he has the right to have any kind of potatoes he wants. So we'll just practice this. I'm gonna bop your hand, and you need to say a random word that isn't related to anything that's going on.
Doppelganger.
Awesome. Or I could be over here and I could be talking about ducks. I really love ducks, but what he's going to say has nothing to do with ducks. Even though my favorite thing to eat for Chinese New Year is
Goose.
goose. Damn, he got me. So I would have to, what's going to happen with word machine is whatever sentence I'm saying, I have to immediately repeat and use whatever word I get from the word machine. If I was saying, this is a fun game because love is what it's all about. Don't we all want love? Isn't that what you want? I want love.
Valentine's Day tomorrow, guys.
I want love so much that hate fills me when people take away my life. And that's the challenge to the actors. So we're going to get two brave actors up who want to face the word machine. 1 and 2. So at any point during this scene, either of our brave actors can, in mid-sentence, stop what they're saying and toilet this machine. Flush. And out comes a word. Toilet-like, yeah. And that's what they can do. We're going to give them a suggestion to set their scene. Now, what's an object that you haven't used in a while? Or maybe never used. You've always wanted to use one.
Plunger.
A plunger.
Typewriter.
This is going to... or what?
Typewriter.
I'm going to go with typewriter because I think you're adorable, but poop is gross. And we had toilet paper.
It's one of my favorite things to
toilet
do.
stuff in here. You know, we'll come back to plunger later. I kind of like it now. But we're going to go with typewriter. We're going to go with typewriter. So this is a scene that somehow involves a typewriter. And if it needs an extra actor, it's going to come from our pool of actors. Let's see the scene about a typewriter with a word machine in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hey.
Have you seen this?
Yeah, what is this thing?
I don't know. I can't find the touch screen on it.
Yeah.
Maybe if I just
Hemisphere.
hemisphere it, like maybe turn it halfway around or something. Does that look better? Does that make sense?
No.
Well, what else could you do?
Let me try and
Acronym.
acronym this. What is this thing? Look at all these buttons there. Huh.
Q. There's a W. An E.
Yeah, but they're not in the right order. It goes A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
Well, I don't know. What we could.
QWERTY.
We could QWERTY this. We totally QWERTY. Look, Q W E R T Y QWERTY. We totally QWERTY this. It's a QWERTY.
Let's see.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Let's try that way. That's kind of the way to go.
R T
Y.
Y.
And then, if you press enter, will it text somebody?
Let's try.
Okay, so then, how do you know if they answered?
The typewriter monster, you push enter.
I thought you said it was a smartphone. Can you
Supple.
supple like that? Like, look what you can do.
You have very supple body parts over there.
And give a big round of applause.